Hey guys! On today's episode, we're going to learn how to make some candy that twists. To make these Twizzlers, we're going to use polymer clay. Now this stuff has to be conditioned, and if you need some tips on how to do that, check out this video up top. You're going to roll these out into some really long, skinny tubes, and then you're going to cut them against whatever kind of a measuring device you want, something that'll be a consistent measurement, like I'm using my needle tool. For each Twizzler, you need 6 strands. Now you're going to line up groups of 3 and gently press them together. Use a needle tool, a toothpick, or an X-Acto knife to trim the ends. Now we're going to set one of the groups on top of the other. Gently press together with your fingers. Holding your hands, twist in opposite directions. Cut down to whatever size you want and bake according to your package directions. This is going to be a really similar variation. You have 3 white and 3 color. Each one of these is about 7 inches long and 1 centimeter thick. You're going to have 2 groups of 3 here. One that's white, color, white, and the other is color, white, color. I'm gently pressing them together and then trimming the ends so they are all consistent. Keep the ridges showing, but gently press your groups together. Just like with the other Twizzlers, we're going to twist our hands in opposite directions. Cut to whatever length you want. For mine, I'm going to cut them to 1 inch. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to check out this other one on cake pops and gumballs. This last candy is going to be kind of like saltwater taffy, so you're going to pick 2 colors. You need to roll out both colors into 2 long rectangles. Once you have your 2 shapes, roughly the same size, press them on top of each other and line up your edges. Roll it up tight so you don't have air pockets or gaps. Gently press together and then roll it out until you get the consistent size that you want. These can be cut before or after baking, but I recommend doing it beforehand just like we did with the rest. If you want to see how we displayed our candy, check out some of our other videos like this one. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos. Thanks for watching!